to my fellow Filipinos, mga kabayan. This is a calling for you to start and study crypto, especially for those who have no idea about it. I don't want you to be late. No, guys, this is very important because it will lead you to financial freedom. Actually, Philippines is late about this. Our Congress is late in pursuing legalities and adopting crypto. Compared to other countries, look at America, US. This year 2025, the government focused on adopting Bitcoin and continuously buying for strategic Bitcoin reserve. I hope you will listen to this year's and years later you will look back to this video and realize it's all happening. I created this channel to give you guide and update about crypto in a very short time period. That's why I choose reels and shorts. Please start studying crypto, make your own research about it, and start investing. When you say investing, long term hold dyan, strong hand, walang magsisell.